Let's now introduce you to Built Accounting. Before I introduce you to what Built Accounting is all about, I would like to tell you about accounting software applications. Conventionally, there are two types of accounting applications. This categorization is based on two things: how the application is accessed and how data is stored. So the two types of accounting application are desktop accounting applications and cloud-based accounting applications. What we have used for decades now are desktop applications, which are stored on a computer and runs on that computer. This means that to access the application on a computer device, we should have first installed that software on the computer. Desktop application is limited to presence over a physical location, and thus face the usability constraint. However, desktop applications do not require internet connection to work. An example of a desktop application is your Microsoft Excel application. In contrast to desktop accounting applications, we have cloud accounting applications. Cloud accounting applications are web-based and run on a browser. They do not require any installation to be done on your computer, but in order to access it, you will need a browser and internet connection. So an example of a cloud-based application will be your Google spreadsheet. Let's now discuss the parameters bordering desktop applications and cloud applications. First is installation. For desktop applications, you will need an executable file to be installed on a computer. Whereas with cloud applications, it is normally accessed by signing up for the application, so there is no need to download and install a file. With the usage, desktop applications can only be used on the computer on which it is installed, so they are confined to a physical location and hence have usability constraints. But with cloud applications, they make it convenient for the users to access the application from any location using the internet. Also with maintenance, every maintenance on a desktop application comes with an update to be downloaded and installed, and in some cases, they come at a fee. On the other hand, updates are made automatically on the cloud application, and so there is no need for any installation. With regards to security, security is tied to your personal security configuration when it comes to desktop applications. However, if your local computer gets missing or spoiled, normally you lose the application and the data, especially where there is no backup at all. But in using cloud applications, once they are stored on a bank-grade server, it will have all the security needed in addition to automatic backup. When it comes to purchasing or acquiring applications, you normally would need to buy a license to use a desktop application. This is an upfront payment, and mostly, upgrades need to be paid for as well. However, in using cloud applications, they are mostly paid for in subscriptions, either monthly, quarterly, or annually. With this said, let's move on to the Built Accounting Cloud application, simply known as Built. Built is a cloud accounting application which enables you to perform all your accounting tasks on your browser and over the internet. Using the latest technologies in progressive apps, the application allows you to pass some transactions even when your internet is down, and then it later synchronizes when your internet stability is restored, so far as you do not close the browser. Now, moving your accounting to the cloud for your bookkeeping practice is attractive for many reasons, including increasing your efficiency by being able to work anywhere, being able to communicate with clients easily on issues that arise on their account, and collaborating with them in real time. In accessing and using Built, there are no extensive hardware and software requirements. All you need is 1, an internet connection, and 2, any of the major internet browsers. Chrome is preferred, but you can also use Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Safari. For hardware, you need a basic laptop or desktop, or even a tablet, and you can use the application. It is also responsive on mobile devices. However, if you are performing many accounting tasks, we advise you do so on larger screens. Like most accounting applications, before you jump onto using it for your clients, you will want to do an assessment of the application vis-a-vis the needs of the client. Therefore, before deciding to use Built for your client, you should consider the needs of your client in the following areas. Invoicing. Built allows you to create and send invoices to your clients automatically via email or invoice links. You can customize the invoice to your business branding. Your customers can also make payments to your bank or mobile money account directly by clicking on the pay options attached to your invoices. The payment can be done via cards such as MasterCard or Visa, or any of the mobile money platforms. Next, you should consider customer relationship management. Build, create, and stores all your customers in one place, making it easier for you to know your transactions with each customer, your highest paying customers, their emails and contact details, and all these can be exported to Excel for further analysis. Next, you should look at expenses and bills. You can enter paid expenses as well as vendor or supplier bills, so as to track all your expenses and payables and know when they are due for payment. For inventory, Built allows you to track and manage your inventory of finished product as well as track costs associated with finished goods when they are sold. Under Payroll, Built allows you to enter your staff earnings, and the application automatically calculates social security contributions, taxes, and all other deductions. Moreover, you get reports sent to the tax authorities, to SNIT, and to the Tier 2 fund manager of your choice. Your employees also get a portal where they can see all their taxes, pension contributions, as well as other services. In addition, you can make online payments straight into the bank account of your staff. Finally, you should consider financial and tax reporting. The Built application gives you real-time financial and tax reports. Financial reports include income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Tax reports include VAT and withholding tax reports. Let's now move on to how Built is paid for. The basic application is free, providing you with all the features of invoicing, expense and vendor bills, as well as financial reports. If your clients need premium features such as Payroll and more customization, then they will have to subscribe to any of our premium plans. Also, users of the application can use the associates who are acting as advisors on the platform for accounting support. The associates will then get paid by the client directly for any support they offer.